Okay, guys, you guys are not going to believe this. I applied the trend trading strategy on this particular asset called FX Volume 60 yesterday, and you're going to be amazed about the results we actually got from this particular asset alone. Okay, so this is so unique and this is so beautiful. I'm going to show you everything I did yesterday, and of course, I'm going to show you how I got the results which we are sharing in the Telegram channel right now. Okay, so if you are not in the Telegram channel, you actually missed out from yesterday's trading activities. Okay, because we had a lot of back-to-back TPs yesterday and it was so amazing. Okay, all the signals actually achieved all their TPs, and that's so amazing. Okay, so we will be checking that out in this video and see how you too can apply the same strategy on your own. Okay, and if you want to join my Telegram channel, kindly check the link in the description box below this video and click on it and you will be able to have access to it. I will also drop the link in the comment section. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So let's move on to what we have right here. Okay, so this happened to be one of the assets we actually traded. Um, traded yesterday. Okay, remember all the signals given out yesterday in the Telegram channel gave us positive results at the end of the day. Okay, so and this happened to be one of them. And how did we come about the trading activities which we did yesterday? Okay, like I said, I love using the trend trading strategy because it gives me the opportunity to trade for a very long time. I will be in a particular direction for a very long time, which means I am milking the market for a very long time on a particular direction. Okay, so how do I get to know when the trend is changing or when it is fully changed? Okay, so the first thing I need to observe is the previous trend. Okay, right here you can see this yellow color. Okay, it's created by my indicator telling me that this particular asset is on uptrend at this point and it got to this resistance zone. So I decided to check out this when it got to the resistance zone at this point. Okay, there are two things that can happen from the resistance zone. The first one is if there is a breakout above it. If there is a breakout above this resistance zone, it will keep on buying. If it's not a breakout, then we are most likely to have a change in direction of the trend. Okay, that is, it should change or it should switch from uptrend into a downtrend. And remember, if it's on uptrend, you buy alone. If it's on downtrend, you sell alone. Okay, so that is very, very important. So when it got there the first time, I had to mark it out that, okay, it has got into this resistance zone. Let me see if it will break out from there. It had a pullback but went back up again to try it out again, still unable to break out from there. So at this point I realized that it's most likely for it not to break out from there. Okay, and if you should notice something, this is also giving us the letter M vibe at this point. Okay, so which means it's most likely for it to sell. It is coming from a major resistance zone, it didn't break out from there, it is giving us the letter M vibe, then definitely we should know that it is going to sell at that particular point. And of course, guys, if I should bring it to this point also, we should notice it came up, came down. I'm looking at the general picture this time around. Came up, came down, and went up again, broke out from here, but got to this region, gave us a little or a small letter M at this point. But at the same time, if we should look at the bigger picture, it is giving us a bigger letter M. Why should we look at the bigger picture? It will help us to know how far the trend will last. Okay, so in this situation, because of the bigger picture of letter M, at least it should get to this point. That is the middle point of the letter M. So this means that it's going to sell for long. And of course, if it breaks out from there, then it should get to the lower part of the first leg of the big letter M. And of course, That is what we just achieved right here. So at this point, I realized that this is going to sell for a very long time. And of course, my indicator, my custom made indicator, also made it very easy for me. You can see at this point, it also gave me a downtrend signal, and of course gave me a sell signal at this point. So what did I do? I quickly did my calculation, check out the market structures, and of course I was able to highlight a good entry point for the community. And also I also highlight different take profit areas so that people can make money and come out of the market with some good amount of profit. I gave them different TPs, and of course TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, and of course it's all achieved everything. Remember, this is 15 minutes time frame, which means a single TP can make you a lot of money if you had followed the signal the right way. Okay, so that is it. So it is as amazing as that. So I'm really happy that we are able to achieve all this together. Okay, I'm really happy that we are able to achieve all this together. Congratulations to you all within the Telegram channel. So right now I've just given you a quick breakdown on what I did in order to achieve all that. You can also do the same thing. All you need is to have a good trading tool that can help you to analyze the market easily. If you don't have one, here is one on my screen. It is called the 3M Trend Milker Trading Indicator. It is a custom made indicator. I use it personally and I give it out to my students also to use it if they are interested in it. Okay, so all they need to do is just to follow the signal right there, understand how it works first on the demo account before trying it out on the real account. Okay, so this is very important. Once you get it right, you will, or you are most likely to be in profit all the time, just the way we have been doing right here together in the Telegram channel. So if in case you want a trading tool like this, or you want this particular trading tool, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp and let's discuss about it. I will be stopping right here. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. And if you have a personal question, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will also be there to reply you. Okay, so watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.